Lithuania says it's ramping up security around its power grid ahead of a planned decoupling from Russia's electricity grid next month. Lithuania's Prime Minister Gintautas Paluckas says the government has asked police forces to take over protection of the Litpol link. Security of the power link shared with Poland was outsourced to a private security company last month. The previous government had contracted them to guard some of the Litpol's assets until springtime. But Paluckas has opted to speed up that timeline to next week, assigning the country's public security service to take over.
Pasitelkta būtent viešo saugumo tarnyba, kuri turi daugiausia patirties tokių kritiškai svarbių objektų apsaugoje ir jie keis privačią saugos tarnybą, kuri iki šiol kai kurios objektus saugoja.
Vilnius says it's been observing attempts by its opponents to disrupt the planned decoupling from the Russian power grid. Officials provided assurances that the country has enough reserves, and all scenarios evaluated indicates that there will be no power outages. They've also issued a message to those attempting to disrupt their plans.
Ir turbūt viena svarbiausių žinučių, kurią mes norime ištransliuoti, yra tai, kad nepaisant bet kokių provokacijų, kurios galėtų įvykti, bet kokių incidentų, atsijungimas nuo BRELL, tai yra nuo Rusijos elektros tinklų, yra neišvengiamas ir jis įvyks lygiai už mėnesio.
Lithuania plans to disconnect from the Russian electricity grid on the 8th of February. They will then take over the responsibility of running their own national grids for their power needs.